Hello everyone, I'm Emily from Hybrid Shooter and this is an inside look at the DJI Mini 3. The DJI Mini 3 is a compact and portable drone that is designed for aerial photography and videography. It has a foldable design and weighs just 249 grams, making it one of the lightest drones in DJI's lineup. Compared to the previous generation, the Mini 3 sports an improved Level 5, 38 km/h wind resistance and up to 51 minutes of battery life with DJI Intelligent Plus battery. It also adds true vertical shooting, which is a feature that lets you rotate the gimbal 90 degrees to film vertical shots that can be immediately shared on social media platforms. Like the Mini 2, the Mini 3 captures stunning videos in 4K HDR, uses OcuSync 2.0 for a transmission range of up to 6.2 miles, and includes a host of automated functions to make piloting easier. Get advanced shots in seconds with just a tap with quick shots like Drone, Circle, Helix, Rocket, and Boomerang. You can send the results to your mobile device for saving or sharing just as quickly with quick transfer. With aerial photography, piloting is made less stressful with the Mini 3 thanks to a series of integrated automated functions such as automatic takeoff, precise hovering, and multiple return-to-home modes. Overall, the DJI Mini 3 is a great choice for those looking for a compact and portable drone that can capture high-quality images and videos. It is easy to fly and has a number of intelligent features that make it suitable for both beginners and experienced pilots.